Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding the File button in Outlook 365 depends on which version you are using. If you are using the classic desktop application on Windows, look at the very top left corner of your screen. You will see a blue tab labeled File right next to the Home tab. Clicking this opens the Backstage view where you can manage account settings, print documents, or set up automatic replies. However, many people are switching to the new Outlook or using the web version through a browser. In these versions, the traditional File button does not exist. Instead, you will find most of those options by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. If you need to add a new account in the new Outlook, look for the account icon or the settings gear instead of a file menu. Sometimes the ribbon at the top of your screen is collapsed or hidden. You can fix this by clicking the small arrow on the far right side of the menu bar to expand it. If you still do not see the File button on the desktop app, you might be in full screen mode or using a simplified ribbon. You can toggle between the classic ribbon and the simplified ribbon by right-clicking the menu bar. Remember that the web version stores its options under the View or Settings tabs rather than a dedicated file menu. Navigating these changes helps you manage your emails more efficiently. Always check your version first to know exactly where to look for your account management tools and printing options.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.